Goodnight Numbers by Danica McKellar, illustrated by Alicia. Goodnight Numbers by Danica McKellar, illustrated by Alicia Padron. Goodnight Numbers. One. Goodnight, one fork. Goodnight, one spoon. Goodnight, one bowl. I'll see you soon. 2. Goodnight, two hands. Goodnight, 2 feet. Goodnight, 2 ears so small and sweet. 3. Goodnight, 3 wheels. Goodnight, 3 cans. Goodnight, all trucks and pots and pans. 4. Goodnight, 4 paws. Goodnight, kitty cat. Goodnight, 4 froggies on the bathroom mat. 5. Goodnight, 5 points. Goodnight, little star. Goodnight, 5 splashes, they go really far. 6. Goodnight, 6 snaps. Goodnight, Mr. Peach. Goodnight, 6 blocks with 6 sides each. 7. Goodnight, 7 days. Goodnight, whole week. Goodnight, 7 teeth so clean they squeak. 8. Goodnight, 8 arms. Goodnight, tall vine. Goodnight, 8 sides on the red stop sign. 9. Goodnight, 9 butterflies. Goodnight, 9 bars. Goodnight to the moon and the countless stars. 10. Goodnight, 10 fingers. Goodnight, 10 toes. Goodnight to the world and everyone knows. Numbers are around us like really good friends. Good night to all the numbers. Good night and the end.